Hi, I'm Anil from 2 and 2 Tax and Accounting Services. And for more tips as a small business owner or self-employed taxpayer, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Did you know, as a self-employed taxpayer or a small business owner, that the IRS can reclassify your business as a hobby and therefore you'd pay a lot more in taxes? In this next video, I'm going to tell you about the 9 factors that the IRS looks into when they decide to make that decision for you or not. So when it comes to reclassifying your business as a hobby, there are 9 factors that the IRS will look into when making that decision for you. The first factor is the manner in which the taxpayer carried on the activity. The second factor is the expertise of the taxpayer and/or its advisors. The third factor is the time and effort expended by the taxpayer in carrying on the activity. The fourth factor is the expectation that assets used in the activity will appreciate. The fifth factor is the success of the taxpayer in carrying on similar or dissimilar activities. The sixth factor is the taxpayer's history of income or losses with respect to the activity in question. The seventh factor is the amount of occasional profits, if any, which are earned by the taxpayer. The eighth factor is the financial status of the taxpayer. The ninth and final factor is the presence of personal recreation or enjoyment from the taxpayer, how the taxpayer personally relates to the activity in question. Those are the 9 factors that the IRS will take into consideration when deciding whether or not to classify your business as a hobby. The most common examples of the IRS reclassifying your business or self-employment activity as a hobby usually comes down to the creative arts, music, writing, film production, things like that. Because these are very common activities that taxpayers may continue without actual profit motives when spending money on them and investing into that business. So if you have any questions or concerns about the IRS possibly reclassifying your business as a hobby, give us a call or email anytime so we can sit down with you and go through the 9 factors with you before the IRS decides to on their own.